6FT. Right-angle lightning cable. This 6 feet angled lightning connector is ideal for tight spaces. The USB Type-A to Lightning cable is MFi certified for use with iPhone, iPad and iPod devices. Sync and charge. This USB to Lightning cable lets you connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod to sync your device with your media library and charge it. Portable and convenient, you can easily take this cable anywhere. Reversible lightning connector. The fumble-free reversible lightning plug connects in either direction, and the angled connector provides a natural fit for ports in hard-to-reach locations. Broad compatibility. The 6-foot lightning cable is MFi certified for use with iPhone, iPad and iPod devices. It's compatible with iPhone 5, 5C, 5s, 6, 6 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, SE, 7, 7 Plus, iPad, 4th and 5th generations, iPad mini, iPad mini 2, iPad mini 3, iPad mini 4, iPad Air, iPad Air 2, iPod Touch, 5th and 6th generations, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 1st generation, and iPad Pro 9.7-inch. Also known as right-angle iPhone cable, angle iPhone charging cable, iPhone cable 3 feet, iPhone lightning cable. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I was looking for. It connects to Apple Play in my 22 Subaru Crosstrek without any problem. I love that it's just the right length and coils away out of the way of the other items I have in my cubby when not in use.